This is a diagram of what happens every day with a person. Okay, they might not know what they're promoting, right? That's the question you have to ask yourself. But this is how it happens. A person will be usually operating through a self-importance mannerism. So, self means human, flesh, a want, a need, or a concern. And importance is truth, values, fairness, justly, needed, stationed. So, a person will believe that they are being self-important, but in fact, it's just someone who is looking for a materialistic gain. Is that person trustworthy? So this is mainly what they do in order to actually think that they're going to get this materialistic gain. They will be doing a Jeremiah chapter 2 exaltation, right? So they exalt themselves, then fall, because most likely this person is a unbeliever. So this is how it goes. They work jobs, get money, greed, power, condemn, domination, and they climb that ladder through the two evils, right? So they commit the two evils, which is forsaking relationships and trusting in themselves, which only leads to neglect and forsake. So this means they worship death, lifeless. They have no life in them. And just like Lucifer, they exalt themselves. And then once they get to the tippy top of the mountain, they fall. They fall into persecution through the great setup system. So this is mainly what happens. They're not practicing the fruit of the Spirit, which is not flesh, which is specifics. 9 different specific things you can do in order to try to stay out of the way. But they'll use works, which is like fornication, then flips the truth to throw you in jail through adultery. They'll say you committed adultery or raped somebody or assaulted somebody. So this will be happen when they're drunk in the open, and they will yell in establishments or jails. This is what happens every day. This is what could happen.